So this is what I actually use for my hair. It's the Ion Color Brilliance High Lift in Natural Blonde. Sorry, the lighting's kind of dark. This is what I use. Now let me show you my results. Alright, let me show you guys something real quick, okay? And you guys can see this hair. Wait a minute. Can you see it? Okay, so basically what I did was I want to see what high color works best. So I went and got the Ion Natural Blonde High Color. And God, I'm trying to separate. Let me get out my car. This is what it did to my hair. You can see it. More appears where the hair was brown, and more towards the bottom part where the hair is blonde is where the red hair dye used to be at. But I put the highlight over the, not red, I put the highlight over the copper hair dye because I wanted to see would it turn it blonde, and it did. And it turned the brown part pretty blonde too. I mean brown, like a light brown. The highlight is only the high lift. I'm sorry, it's only like the top part. Like, alright, so let me show you guys one more time. You guys can see the difference what the dye did to my hair. It's even showing.